boomers.
Snow White boomers.
Racing Santa Claus through the blazing sun. 6 white boomers.
Snow White boomers.
On their Australian run. So I think you get the idea now, is that right? When I sing the words 6 white boomers, what do you sing? So I think we better have a bit of a practice run. What do you reckon? I reckon we should, just so that we all know what everybody's doing. Here we go. 6 white boomers.
Snow White boomers.
I think we can do a little bit better than that. What do you reckon? I heard the people down at Sanctuary Point said that they could be louder than Vincentia. And I'm not sure that's correct. Is that right? Are they louder than you? I don't think they're louder than you. I think you can be a lot louder than that. So here we go. 6 white boomers. Racing Santa Claus through the blazing sun. 6 white boomers. On their Australian run.